Welcome to the course on Addictions Counseling. This is a video-based course by Dr. Steve Silverstein. The videos are broken up into 22 segments. Each video can be viewed by opening up the folder for the corresponding lesson. For example, I have Lesson 1 open right now. This is the first video segment. What you'll do for each segment is watch the video and then interact on a discussion board. The discussion boards will usually only contain one question. There are a few that will contain 2 questions and 1 or 2 that contains 3 questions. You are required to answer them all. There are a couple occasions where the video segment is not followed by a discussion question. In those cases, all you need to do is indicate whether or not you have completed watching the video in its entirety. That's how you'll get credit for that lesson. To close the lesson, click on the folder and then open the subsequent one. The course follows the same pattern all the way through. At the bottom of the page, you will be required to submit your papers. If you open that up, you'll see that you have a research paper, field observation paper, a reflection paper, and a philosophy paper. All 4 papers are explained in the syllabus, which is located at the top of the course. At the very bottom of the course, you will be asked to report your reading. You're required to read the textbook as well as collateral reading throughout the course. You will also take a final exam. This will be a closed book and will be proctored. However, under the course materials section, there is a document that explains what to study for the final exam, so you'll know what to expect. This is what that document looks like. Most of the things on the exam can be found in the textbook, but there are also some things that Dr. Silverstein mentions, so you'll need to make sure that you are watching the video segments in order to gain that information for the exam. Please review the discussion board guidelines before beginning your posts. It is very important that you check your BBC student email, as there will be times where the instructor will interact with you on the discussion boards. It's probably unlikely that you are going to go back to, say, Lesson 3 after you finished it and you're already on Lesson 5. The only way for you to know if your instructor has responded to your post is if you receive an email copy to your BBC email. All discussion boards are set up automatically so that you are subscribed, meaning you will receive emails when someone responds to your posts. So if you check your BBC email, you'll be able to log in and dialogue with your instructor or your classmates throughout the course. If you have any questions, click on the General Questions discussion form at the top of the page. Click Add a new discussion topic to start a thread about any question that you might have about the course assignments or requirements. While the chunking of the material will help prevent sensory overload, it could also cause you to go through the course too slowly. Please pace yourself. But do not procrastinate to the point where you are on Lesson 4 and you've already forgotten Lessons 1 through 3 because you've listened to them so long ago. It is recommended that you view and interact with 3 segments per week. On that trajectory, you will finish the course within an 8-week time frame. I hope you enjoy this course, and again, if you have any questions, just post them on the discussion board on the top of the page. Thank you.